Homeowners in Florence are always looking for ways to reduce energy costs while maintaining a comfortable living space. One of the most effective upgrades that can significantly lower your utility bills is installing energy-efficient windows and doors. These modern upgrades not only improve insulation and climate control but also add to your home's value and sustainability. Here's how energy-efficient windows and doors can help reduce energy waste and save you money in Florence. Reducing heat transfer for better temperature control. Energy-efficient windows and doors are designed with insulated glass, low emissivity, low-E coatings, and advanced framing materials that minimize heat transfer. This means, in summer, they reduce heat entering your home, keeping interiors cooler. In winter, they prevent heat from escaping, maintaining warmth inside. With better temperature control, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, which lowers energy consumption and utility bills. Lowering HVAC costs with insulated glass and doors. Traditional windows and doors often allow air leaks and poor insulation, leading to higher heating and cooling costs. Energy-efficient models use double-pane or triple-pane glass with insulating gas layers, argon or krypton, and tight-sealed doors to reduce air leaks and prevent drafts. Maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Decrease the strain on your HVAC system, resulting in long-term energy savings. Blocking harmful UV rays to protect your home. The sun's UV rays can cause furniture, flooring, and curtains to fade over time. Energy-efficient windows use low-E coatings that block up to 99% of UV radiation. Prevent sun damage to your home's interior. Allow natural light in while reducing heat gain. By protecting your home's furnishings, you avoid premature wear and costly replacements. Reducing condensation and moisture issues. In humid climates like Florence, condensation buildup can lead to mold, mildew, and water damage around window and door frames. Energy-efficient windows and doors help by reducing surface temperature differences, minimizing condensation. Using moisture-resistant materials, preventing mold growth. Improving indoor air quality, keeping your home healthier. Less condensation means fewer maintenance issues and longer-lasting installations. Noise reduction for a more peaceful home. Energy-efficient windows and doors not only lower utility bills but also reduce outside noise pollution. With multiple glass panes, high-quality weather stripping, and superior insulation, they help block traffic noise from busy streets. Create a quieter indoor environment. Increase overall home comfort. If you live near high traffic areas or commercial zones, investing in these upgrades can greatly improve your quality of life. Government incentives and rebates. Many homeowners in Florence can take advantage of state and federal tax credits, rebates, or utility incentives for installing energy-efficient windows and doors. Programs such as Energy Star tax credits offer savings on energy-efficient upgrades. Local utility company rebates reduce upfront installation costs. Green home improvement loans may be available for replacements. These incentives make upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors even more affordable. Increasing home resale value. Energy-efficient windows and doors are a highly desirable feature for homebuyers. If you plan to sell your home in the future, these upgrades improve curb appeal with modern, stylish designs. Make your home more marketable to eco-conscious buyers. Provide a high return on investment, ROI, due to long-term energy savings. By investing in energy-efficient solutions now, you increase your home's value and reduce future selling challenges. Long-term durability and minimal maintenance. Unlike older models, modern energy-efficient windows and doors are built to last. Features such as weather-resistant framing materials, vinyl, fiberglass, or composite, prevent warping and rotting. Advanced glass coatings keep windows cleaner and reduce maintenance needs. Durable seals and spacers ensure long-term performance without air leaks. With less maintenance required, homeowners save both time and money on upkeep. Final thoughts. Upgrade to energy-efficient windows and doors for big saving. If you're a homeowner in Florence, upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors is one of the smartest investments you can make. From lower utility bills and enhanced comfort to reduced noise and improved durability, these upgrades offer long-term financial and lifestyle benefits. Ready to start saving? Contact a trusted window and door installation professional in Florence today and experience the benefits of energy-efficient living.